The year is 846 AD, the dawn of the Viking Age. The legends of Ragnar Lothbrok and his conquests have spread across the known world. With his death, the Viking clans clamored to replace the flag of kingship with their own sigils. Violence breaks out across the Nordic lands. Which clan will triumph? You are a rune caster, blessed with the sight of the gods. You must cast your runes to gain fortune for your clan, knowing that lives will be won and lost based on your strategies. Do you have the courage for the game of BloodRunes? Use your hidden rune cards to cast on the shared board. Each action is taken by your devoted acolytes. Make sure to recruit as many as possible to your side. Create runic patterns that match your spells and cast them to build fortunes for your clan, or steal fortunes from your enemies. Charm acolytes from your opponents to make your clan more powerful and diminish theirs. Protect your clan with powerful wards, or break others' wards and go in for the kill. Acquire more runes from the river and more spells for your spellbook. The first clan to 6 fortunes is victorious and becomes the new Viking King. Do you have what it takes to win the game of BloodRunes?